I'm never surprised when I found out afterwards, after I wrote something in one of my books, many of my books, that it actually turns out to be true. Why? Simply because I know what I'm talking about, otherwise I wouldn't put it in a book. So let me take you back to 2017, where Donald Trump is now in his first term, and he launches an attack with cruise missiles here in the Brits, of course, little dogs, little chihuahuas. They launch this cruise missile attack on Syria, being still under Assad, not the current jihadi leader. And they do that because apparently the Assad government has used chemical weapons or something to bomb civilians. This is now besides the fact that, of course, they had no chemical weapons because it was removed to where? Russia. There you go. And so we know it was bullshit, but some of you might remember it was this video which came out made by the white helmets. Yes, CIA front, MI6 front. And then what happened was they grabbed this girl in some kind of a yellow room. They grab these children, they show these bodies which they move around, according to witnesses later. And then they start spraying them with water and wiping their faces and blah, blah, blah. Yeah. If you're an idiot, that looks very real to you. But anyway, so if you actually switch the sound off, that's something we do in the intelligence world. You switch the sound off and you look at body language. And then you're going to find out, no, it's all staged bullshit. That little girl has no clue what's going on. She's got no idea. Later, one of the boys in the video, his father came out and said, this is nonsense. Of course, nobody believed him. 99% of all the US media, they were actually extremely impressed with this attack by lauded Trump. This is very presidential. And what came out in my books for research, which I did, is came out that the Russians actually intercepted most of those cruise missiles. The ones and twos we got through actually bombed the building. Yeah. So if you bomb a building and there's chemical warfare things, agents inside, don't you think, idiot, that perhaps it will leak and cause more damage? But yet there's people standing around it, but according to the Pentagon, this is a massive strike. Anyway, I'll leave you a link down below. Because he came out yesterday with one of the great journalists, Aaron Mattei. He actually did an investigation on this, and guess what? TMZ once again confirmed. So this incident is mentioned in Codename July 27, as well as intelligence briefing, as well as some other books. There you go. Once again, confirmed.